Well, it's time to check your learning. What day is it today? In Chinese is 今天星期几?今天星期几? So to answer this question, can you say Monday to Sunday in Chinese now? Well, let's say Monday to Sunday together in Chinese. Monday, 星期一 Tuesday, 星期二 Wednesday, 星期三 Thursday, 星期四 Friday, 星期五 Saturday, 星期六 Sunday, 星期天 So how many do you get right? Leave it in the comment below.
Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact that you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。